trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you. And that bitch, and I thought that they told you.
Alright, you guys, so I totally forgot to do my introduction. I do apologize. But I'll be installing this wig from RuiYu HAIR. I don't know, it's like a closure wig, Bodywave wig. And I'm going to be installing it. So what I'm doing is just putting the wig on, adjusting to my head so I can get ready to lay the lace. Before I do lay the lace, I do go in and pluck it a little bit. I go on with my wax stick and my hot comb to, you know, move the hair out of the way so I can focus on the lace. And then, yeah, so just keep watching. So now I'm just combing out what I plucked, and then I'm going to be taking my Bodywave hair gel and my Gotta Be Free spray to lay this closure wig down. Closure wigs are so quick, you guys. It took me like 15 minutes to put this wig on, literally. But yeah, so I'm putting the product on the hairline, and then I'm going to blow dry it until it's tacky. Then I'm going to place the lace on top of the product and blow dry it as well, and press the lace in the hair into the product until it is completely dry. Once the lace is dry and stuck to your forehead, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace, and just cut in a zigzag motion. That's pretty much all there is to it. And then if you still have pieces of lace sticking up, just go in with the free spray and your blow dryer. Gonna go in and pluck the lace just a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go in and comb out what I plucked. Then I'm just putting a little bit of powder foundation in the front on the lace just to make it blend a little bit better. Would you look at that? Period, honey. Now I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb to just, you know, make this a little bit more crisp. So I didn't want to do a part. I just wanted to do it like just like a little throw over, a little hairstyle, like something natural. And I actually like how it came out. Now I'm going to take my Nairobi hair foaming lotion, and just to give it that wet look real quick. So boom, yes, this is how it looks with like a little, just like a throw over look. Next I'm gonna show y'all how to do a middle part with this as well, really quick. Can't do a middle part without that wax stick. Y'all better go purchase, period. Y'all gotta have the wax stick and the hot comb. Like, it's just the perfect duo. And boom, that's pretty much it. That's the end of this video. So you could do a middle part, you could do a side part, you could do just a little throw over like I did. It's really up to you. You could do a lot with a closure wig, you know what I'm saying? If you like this wig, check out the links in my description and go purchase. Use the discount code as well. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, bougie babes.